Introduce highlight features or overview summary for QIOMALA Electric Pressure Washer, 4200 psi, 2.8 GPM high pressure cleaning machine with 35 feet power cord, 20 feet hose, foam cannon. 4 nozzles. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Powerful performance. QIOMALA Electric Pressure Washer is a powerful cleaning machine, boasts 4200 psi pressure and 2.8 GPM flow rate, effortlessly removing various stains on large surfaces like decks, boats, and cars. Convenient reach. Equipped with a 35 feet power cord and 20 feet pressure hose, providing ample range of motion during cleaning without frequent repositioning. Stable and maneuverable. Features anti-tipping design with 4 360 degrees swivel wheels, low center of gravity, and wheel locks, ensuring stability on uneven surfaces and easy movement. Compact and space-saving. With dimensions of 13x7x17 inches, it's small in size, convenient to store, and takes up minimal space. Versatile cleaning. Comes with 5 nozzle modes, including 4 quick connect nozzles, and a 450 ml soap cannon, offering spray angles of 0 degree, 15 degree, 25 degree, and 40 degree for different cleaning tasks. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe. Recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.